Traders, I sent this gold trade into VIP today, and what I want to do with this video is show you what I think to be absolutely the best setup you can possibly find. This was the trade here. Actually, that one was closing it. This was opening it. Anyway, we're going to go to TradingView, and what I'm going to do in this video is explain the strategy. If there's a holy grail of strategies, this has to be it, in my opinion. And I don't say that lightly. Okay, what I'm going to show you here is really the key to beating market volatility. And I want to add, if you use this video as a tutorial and write down everything that you see in this, keep this as a trading plan because it's really sound. So let's go into this layout. I'm going to click on this indicator down the bottom, double clicking the bottom indicator in the space. Going to open that up. Right. We've got a 4 hour on the right, and we've got a 1 hour in the middle and a 30-minute. Now, I took this trade based on, see this red line? I'm going to wiggle that around. All right, see where it lands. Let me show you this. All right, the 4 hour chart's giving us this red alert, the 1 hour and 30-minute. If all of these line up, go for it. That's all I can say. The next signal that we get on the 15-minute is this one here, along with that. Okay, this is telling us that it's overextended. Both of these signals are. I mean, this is just the perfect setup. And here's the thing. If you were to be patient, super patient, and only wait for this setup, no matter what you're trading, this is gold, but anything else, I 100% guarantee it would absolutely change the game for you in a big way. Right? So we need these three, at least two. And the other thing that you want to note is see how it's trading into a previous monthly and a previous weekly? Actually, that's a little bit high. It traded into a previous daily, and that's actually got a, you'll see an orange, you can see it down here. There's an orange text behind there. That's a weekly. So it's traded, it's broken through a previous daily and a previous weekly level. Oh, and there's one other thing. Let me show you this. Let's open the 15-minute, and we're going to go to double click. See this indicator here? See that? All that red? Okay, that's it. All you need is for these to come into confluence. In fact, that stop loss is way too wide. You could have just gone above that previous. I do tend to set my stops fairly wide, but that could have been the thing there, or at least that. But that's all you need, guys, honestly. And, close it here at 1 hour. It could have been, it could have been a 2 hour outcome if you tightened up your stop. Fair enough. How do you know when to close? Well, you've got these along with that and that. That's it. Close it. There's a very high probability that that will pull back based on these. So, that's it, guys. It's a very simple setup, extremely simple. All you need to do is just wait for all of this stuff to come together. Most important are these guys, 3 of these. It's also here on the 15-minute. Okay, down we go. If you were to wait for this setup, notably these guys here, and only took these trades, so you have to be patient and let it come to you. Can set alerts for these so that they go off and you come into the chart and you'll see them. It's very simple. You don't need anything else. All right, so that went into VIP today. Forex trades. Yeah, okay, that was the setup. And, oh, by the way, here's something else. Now, I did a mentorship video in here, this one, and this is a deep dive into this strategy, right, in detail. So important, this video, guys, so please watch it. I will change the game for you, guaranteed. Yep, so, that's a bit of an update on a strategy that, I've worked really hard to arrive at to beat market volatility. So, yeah, it's an evolutionary process, and we're definitely on the right track with this. Okay, so look, if you haven't already, take up the free trial, anthonyfx.com. You can try everything, the indicators, the mentorship, all the signals I'm providing, everything, for 14 days at no cost whatsoever. And if you decide that this is for you, billing kicks in 2 weeks and it's only $29.95. Just show me lunch. That's all I'm asking. There's nothing like this anywhere. No. So snap up this opportunity, guys. Don't let it pass, honestly. And enjoy the ride. So with that, hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.